so good to have a circle like this.
Yes.
And thank you so much, Arnongklai. And I really appreciate the work that you're doing and your interest in our course and always being, inspiring us with your words and with your effort and with your activeness. I hope we'll have a very good HLP journey together. Thank you.
Yes.
So, yeah, why we have this? It should not be only me. Why I wanted this to happen in my birthday is because we will continue this. Whoever birthday it is, first share we should know how to appreciate. Karbi, this is our major problem. We don't want to appreciate. No need heklo matidi. My friends, they don't want to talk to me because they feel like I'm above them. Anta mi lang tum chinki bote, I'm still the same, right?
Yeah.
Anta itum ki ipur lu se semar de butet. Look, I think long peneng kilo. But what is really important is we should get together like this and talk, share, and appreciate. Ining oil lang kachitanang po. Ining karang lang kachitanang po. Ako jong si Jensing mesen lo, but why won't I say that he is not good? I will boost him more. He will be like, okay, Pini, Sabin and Khan, I want to be a better person. Just like Anuka did it to me. Now I'm very good in my speech. Now I can talk. Why? It's because I'm getting encouragement. She's boosting me. No hair. Hala, doubt, no? Like, they don't make it. Hala, so much of it. You know hair, TV lang, like, lang mati. You know, nagkatekte. Then nagkatekte. I'll step back. So, when we are in the circle, let's appreciate. Let's appreciate for who we are. But I can at least appreciate of what he is good at, right? I will encourage. Do more. So that's why we need this. And every birthday that we will have this circle. We will appreciate. We will give the way that you surprised me. We will surprise everyone. Okay? This is really beautiful. Kalimagalang.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ada tu picture me
Yeah.